Hello, Namaskar to all my students of CA aspirants. See, my dear kids, we have completed 24 classes in BRS. Now we are into 25th class. In this 25th class, what happened, we have been provided with cash book and also passbook. See the months. This is given for the month of January and this one is also given for the month of January. When months are same, when months are same, ignore the person or item which appears in both the books. Ignore, we have to ignore. When months are different, do the BRS for same person. When months are same, ignore the same item or person which appears in both. For example, we have a 2 cash. Here also we have a buy cash because 2 in cash book becomes buy in passbook. Since it appears in both the sides, right? We should not do the BRS for this. See, we have a Ram. Ram is not there, so we have to do the BRS. Sham is here. Sham is also here. Even you can see the number also 250 and 250. So ignore the Sham because same person. We have a Krishna. Here also we have a Krishna, check dishonored. Krishna cancel. Krishna cancel. Here we have a bills of exchange 1900 rupees. Discount is 100. See, Krishna's check is here bills of exchange discounted. Same discount 100 rupees. Value of the bill is 2000. After discount we got 1900. So this is to be cancelled and this is also to be cancelled. Carry down leave it, I tell you later. Here we have a brought down leave it. We have a cash, buy cash, right? 300. See, we have a 2 cash. So it appears in both the sides. So we have to ignore it. Bharat is not there. We have to do the BRS for Bharat. Later on we have a Charit. Charit is also here. Ignore the Charit. So, my dear kids, when the months are the same, do the BRS for different persons. Ignore the BRS if they appears in both the books. See, we have a Krishna check dishonored. Yes, we have to take for BRS. Bills of exchange dishonored, we have to take for BRS. Bank charges for BRS. Life insurance for BRS. And even one more thing, that is dividend collected is also we have to take for BRS. We have to do the BRS for these things. Okay. So now let us write what to do. Fine. So we have to write BRS as on 31st March or what? January, right? As on 31st January, year is what? Year is of 2006, right? So now you get ready with your BRS statement. Particulars, debit rupees, credit rupees. See, we have to start with the first line, right? As we people know very well that we have a 2 balance carry down 2900. We should not do the solution based on carry down, that is to be taken as a brought down. That is by balance brought down 2900. See, my dear kids, it is a cash book. Cash book showing a carry down on the brought down on the credit side, that is nothing but payment. Payment means what? Overdraft. So let us start with the first line, that is bank overdraft as per which book? Cash book. We have to take on the credit side, it is of rupees 2900. Shall we do the BRS? Now, for Ram, Ram is on what date? It is on 4th January. Ram. Where the Ram is taken? Ram is taken debited to cash book. When Ram is debited, we have to take it in what side? We have to take it on the credit side, that is rupees 1300. Then rest of the things we have to ignore. Here we have a Bharat. Bharat is on what date? 17th January. Now I take Bharat. Is on what side? Credited to cash book. When Bharat is credited to cash book, where we have to record, it is to be recorded in the debit side. Put the dash. I hope you got it right. Now let us move on to the passbook. Here we have a Krishna check dishonored. Krishna's check dishonored is given in what side? Withdrawal. Withdrawal means payment. Deposit means receipt. Payment किधर आता? It comes in the debit side of passbook. Where it comes? Payment comes in the debit side of passbook. Deposit comes on the credit side of cash book, passbook. I repeat, withdrawals means payment comes in the debit side of passbook, and the receipts comes on the credit side of the passbook, that is deposits. This is debit and this one is credit. So cash, Sham, Krishna, Krishna's check. Krishna's check is taken in what side? Debit side. That is what? 10th January. Krishna check dishonored. Krishna's check dishonored. Where it is there? It is in the debit side of debited to passbook. Where we have to take? We have to take it on the credit side. I hope you got it right after 10th. This one we have to ignore. Bills of exchange dishonored. On what date? Again on 10th January. 10th January. Bills of exchange dishonored. Taken where? It is taken in the debited in passbook. Now tell me where I should take. I am supposed to take it on the credit side. Got it? Next. Cash ignore, Charit ignore, bank charges. Bank charges is taken where? Debited in cash book. So it is to be recorded where? On the credit side. On what date? That is on 31st January. That is bank charges debited to passbook. We have to take it on the credit side. Amount of 20. Life insurance premium, as per the instruction, it is in the debit side of passbook. So we have to take it on credit side. The date is 31st January. I write a shortcut. Life insurance premium debited in passbook. Where I should take? We have to take it on the credit side. It is of rupees 250. Okay, fine. See, my dear kids, what else is given in our problem? Let us see what happened. The last one, right? See the last one. Dividend and interest collected. What do you mean by collected? Collected means what? Receipt. As per the instruction. Where the dividend and interest are taken, it is taken in the credit side of the passbook. Where it is being taken, it is taken on the credit side of the passbook. When it is given, when it is taken on the credit side of the passbook, where it is taken on the credit side of the passbook, we have to record it on the debit side. What is the date? It is also on 31st January. When it is given, it is mentioned on 31st January. So now let us write. Something happened to this pen here and there. I use that another pen. Wait for few seconds, my dear kids. That is on when. Okay. See here what happened on 31st. On 31st, see, I write by using a free hand. Okay, listen. What is the date? On 31st January. What is there? Dividend and interest collected, credited in where? Passbook. Credited means where we have to take? We have to take it on the debit side. 1050. Fine. Now you close completely. Work out the total of debit. The debit total comes to rupees 2400. Credit side total is 6,970. What side is less? Debit side. So we have to write debit balance as per you started with cash book, end with passbook. How much it is? The difference between these two, 4,570. 4,570. See how much amount is showing here, 4,570, because it is on 31st January passbook. We also get 4,570. Okay, this is how we have to do. Bakla, here when the months are same, do the BRS for different things, different persons. Ignore the same person, same thing appears in both the cash and passbook. Okay, thank you. Here we got some problem with the pen and all. Please forgive about it. Thank you. Bye.